All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. This is going to be the first of many videos that I'm going to be doing for StrongInk. They're hopefully a new sponsor for my channel. We're trying out a collaboration to see how it can go. But this is going to be the first project. It is a keychain. Part number for this is KCK-2-CH. That CH is for the chrome. Yeah, I'll have a link to this in my description. It'll take you straight to this kit. There'll be a link to StrongInk's website, take you in. And if you go through that link to purchase this kit, I do believe that you will get a coupon code for a discount on shipping. I believe it's 3 coupon codes you'll receive total. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make that little keychain right there. Everything we need. I have my own blank. I'm going to use a piece of spalted maple that I got from Wowwy, from Wowwy's workshop. Y'all have to go check his channel out too. Heck, I'll leave a link for his channel in the description as well. But yeah, this is gonna be cool. I reached out to StrongInk. Wasn't expecting them to say yes, but they said yes. So here we go. I hope I don't let you guys down. But I'm just gonna mark center on this the best I can with the corners that's on here. And that's gonna give me some off marks, but I'm just gonna go from the center of those marks. We're gonna lock this up in my chuck and drill it out. Let's see how it goes back and forth. It's not quite square cut there, so we just kind of eyeball and gonna go from there on the lathe. We'll get it pretty straight though. Plenty of material here for when we drill it and go to turn it anyway. This kit's gonna require 7mm mandrel to hold your tube and whatnot. Then it uses 7mm bushings. Basically your slimline, 7mm slimline bushings. But we're gonna grab it in the chuck, see about how square we get, find us a center mark, and we're gonna pop it and drill from there. And once we drill, we will come back and glue our tubes. But this will be the tube that we go. It's gonna go inside our blank right there, but we have to go and drill our blank first. So, all right, here we go.
Grumpy's got the touch. Yeah, it's true. Meds roll tight, a funny thing. Aliens fly out in the night. No one asks why. He just keeps on turning wood into gold.
All right. All right. We'll take our sandpaper and scuff up our tube. That way the glue has something to bond to. That brass is so slick inside of that tube, slick from drilling it and everything, that the glue and the brass, they don't grab one another. So you scuff your tube up pretty good. That way when you glue it, it grabs. Check out my description. I have a link for Star Bond glue. Save yourself 10%, promo code Grumpy10, capital letters. This is some pretty good stuff.
StrongInk just came in. So many crazy colors, he doesn't know.
We are going to use a barrel trimmer, but we're going to do it a little unorthodox. We're going to hold this piece with our hand and dig on it. So don't do as I do, ladies and gentlemen.
Strong ink kits on the bench all day. Pens, ornaments, keychains shine, all spun from the lathe, one cut at a time. Grumpy's in the shop where the shavings.
Alright, I switched up to my mandrel. This is my 7mm mandrel there. Do a lot of different kits with that. I really enjoy it. I got the tailstock saver. Bring it on into the screen here. Tailstock saver down here goes on there. It's pretty good. Now these are the StrongInk 7mm bushings, BU-7. That's what this kit's gonna require. So we'll put these on here real fast. Slip one bushing on, and then our piece here, it really doesn't matter which way we go with it. Slip our bearings, our bushings on, and then pull on up to it.
Where do we begin? Pens, ornaments, keychains scattered on the tray, all spun from the lathe, all born from a stray gray day. Yeah, blank looks plain, then a spark, he squints, leans in, finds a line. Meds roll tight on the workbench edge, trying to keep his hands in time. Aliens fly through his head, little green jokes in the grain. He laughs once, cuts a little deep, but turns all that static into shape. Grumpy's in the shop, let it spin, let it spin. What's it gonna be? You future alert him again. Yeah, pins, ornaments, keychains scattered on the key, all fun from the same loud wave from upstream green. He ain't talking much, but the girls say enough. Oh yeah, every turn, every touch is a tiny secret rough. Grumpy's in the shop, let it spin, let it spin. What's it gonna be this time? Where do we begin? Pens, ornaments, keychains, stories in the grain, all spun from the lathe, spinning out of his stubborn, brilliant brain. Grumpy on the lathe had low jaw tight, shavings on his boots, working late at night. Strong ink box open, fresh blanks in a row, keychains, ornaments lined up, ready to go. Grumpy on the lathe with the strong ink flow. We got kits of all kinds. Watch the
Alright, we got our star bond here. It's the pin. Go check out the link in my description. Alright, now let's go put that CA finish on there.
in the vice, that grain looks mean. Snap in the bush and that clicks so clean. Strong ink, send him over, he don't waste no stash. Thumb on the switch, let the stock turn fast. Grumpy on the lathe with the strong ink flow. We got kits of all kinds, watch the table overflow. Meds roll tight.
Alright, now we're gonna go and do our little bit of wet sanding, and this thing's gonna be a done deal, y'all. It's rough right through there, but that's where we got the sandpaper fixing to come into play. Gonna smooth all that down. Now, we're gonna run through the grits real fast and wet sand everything.
Grumpy's in the shop, turned on that old lamp. Coffee in a chipped cup, apron full of sawdust, wood spinning smooth.
This is the StrongInk's keychain. KCK-2-CH for the Chrome edition. Put our press pieces in here. Bring it way on down here. That's about right. Now, that's the top. I want that to be at the top.
StrongInk kits came in, boxes by the door, so many sets to try. He's already
Woo, we dropping stuff. Oh, my big old fingers in these little bitty parts. That's fun sometimes. All right.
fly through his mind while he laughs to himself. Oh yeah, Grumpy's in the shop, working with the lathe.
All right, let's back this up just a little bit. Let's get that on there a little better. What's hard is this one's round, so it's wanting to slide real easy. There we go. Once it gets a little started a little bit, it's not too bad.
Every twist and tiny cut carries his name. Grumpy's in the shop, working with the lathe. Wood spinning fast, what's he gonna make? Pens, little ornaments, keychains on a ring, all spun from the Lathe. See the small things.
That is just too cool.
Grumpy's in the shop, humming through the night, turning rough blocks clean till it all feels right.
Hard to keep this little one right because it's round and it likes to slide. And it's so small, my big old hands don't like messing with little bitty pieces here. But we got this. There it goes.
Grumpy's in the shop again, sweat on his brow, wood chips.
Nice.
He making now, Lathe's worried.
All right, let's go back to the box, y'all. Okay, here we go. This turned out beautiful, yo. I love it. All right, let me put this. Those are my 7mm bushings. We're gonna put those back in the bag so we do not lose those. We need those for a majority of our strong arm kits. Our StrongInk kits. Forgive me. All right.
Grumpy's in the shop, cap pulled low on his face. Radio hums in the background, he's dancing with the lathe. Wood spinning, dust in the air, shavings pile like snow. What's he carving this time? I guess we'll never know till he shows. Grumpy's in the shop, working with
That is just too cool, y'all. That is the StrongInk kit number KCK-2-CH for Chrome. We did that out of an awesome piece of spalted maple. And we used our strong Star Bond super glue to do our CA finish, which turned out just like glass. That is just beautiful, y'all. All right, thank you for watching. Y'all go check out my description, check out the links. There will be a link to the StrongInk kit for this turning kit that we did. There'll be a link for the bushings that we used. Again, that is just awesome. That turned out beautiful. You'll have to supply your own blank, but they have some awesome kits. Y'all go check it out. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everybody had an awesome day. Stay awesome, stay laid back. Remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody. Thank you, StrongInk.